Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're opening Temporal Forces again. I'm trying to get some nice hits from this set. Nothing crazy so far, but yeah, I really like the box and the set itself, so hopefully we get something nice. So yeah, as you can see, I was struggling to open the pack at first. You can get the code at the end of the video as well, but yeah, let's see what we get. So going through them, let's see. Absolutely nothing. Thank you for watching. Bye.